diving here December 28th at More Sangria. Gonna do a after cleaning video. We cleaned up pretty good. Water line was pretty dirty. We still have, with this mild winter, we still have a pretty heavy algae growth, but we got it cleaned up. Let's go take a look. As you saw, there are a couple spots are left so that see how that hair was growing. But it should get thick fast with this mild winter. Both the shaft sinks are going to need a replacement on either next visit or the one after. But other than that, she cleaned up pretty nice. And not the through holes, the vents are clogged up pretty bad. I'm going to take my through hole tools, screwdriver and hanger, and see if I can get them cleared up, but they might need a little bit more maintenance than that. DS Diving, thank you very much.